let's do a nighttime beauty routine, everyone. Actually, kanina galing ako sa Ayo na grocery and meeting with my kids, and now I'm not so feel good, everyone, because I have my monthly menstruations and parang ang hina talaga ng mga veins ko sa katawan, and then I want to sleep early, and I talk my baby girl, so katatapos lang namin mag-usap. So now I'm taking my collagen, and this is from Eyeshadow, this product, everyone. So I'm taking this one, and I love this one, and if you're interested about this, you can message me. And this is from Eyeshadow. I love it. So this is my, and I take this from Eyeshadow Whitening Collagen, everyone. So I take this morning and night, 4 tablets at night. So before I sleep, and this is my routine talaga, everyone, every day. And I love milk. So let's do our skincare routine. Actually, I'm using this of your skin oil, everyone. So this, kasi may natira pang konti, everyone. So ilagay ko sa face ko kasi alam niyo naman, mahal magbili ng product, kaya sulitin talaga natin yung mga konti-konting natira. So I apply this. Skin oil. Sorry kanina, everyone. So I apply already the skin oil and a little bit of essence, and I just add already the Noble Face Cream. And now let's continue the Memory Gel, and this is from Savior. So I love this product, everyone. Yun na, everyone. Iba na talaga, everyone, pag medyo magka-edad ka na talaga, everyone. Kasi may moment talaga, everyone, when I have my menstruations, paminsan-minsan parang kulang ako, parang chill-chill lang. But sometimes talaga, everyone, if you can see my face right now, talagang yung mata ko para talagang mahuhulog. Parang I feel too tired, and I don't know, parang nanghihina ako na hindi ko alam yung naramdaman ko. And it's my first day, actually. Paminsan-minsan, kinabukasan pa ako, I feel so very bad at the third day. But today talaga, in first day of my menstruation, talagang I feel, talagang parang ayaw ko talaga sana umalis kanina. But yung anak kong babae, binilhan kasi niya ako ng hair na, but I want to make a review. So I done already my beauty routine.